Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing this look that one of you guys requested of me. So I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Taking Back to Brazil palette and I'm using that today. So I'm taking that Morphe M441 brush and I'm going to that hot pink right there and taking that above my crease. Next I'm taking this e.l.f. blending brush. It's a crease brush. I'm going to that magenta right there in that corner. I'm going to apply that in the crease just to deepen the crease color. So now I'm taking the Morphe 167 brush, which is just a flat shader brush, and then the LA Girl concealer in the color Porcelain. I'm going to take those two and cut my crease. And it took me a little bit of a time to get, mainly because I wanted to get it really sharp and nice, but this is kind of a big brush for that. Just be really patient if you want it to come out really nice. So the next thing I did was take this small little shader brush from, I believe, Wet n Wild, and I took that shimmer purple and I applied that to my lid area. I did eventually switch into a bigger shader brush from Wet n Wild just to pack on the color really well. So I primed my face using the Cover FX Blurring Primer, and then I went in with the City Color Corrector for my dark spots. I did end up using the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the color 370 while using the Morphe Y7 brush in a beauty blender to blend that in really nice and smooth. So I ended up highlighting my face with the LA Girl Concealer in the color Warm Honey, and then I went in with this contour color Cocoa from Pure Cosmetics. I think that's how you pronounce it, and basically that's how I chiseled and highlighted my face. For my lips, I used a brown lip liner and then the NYX Butter Intense Gloss in the shade Tres Leches. I suck at this. And then I used the Wet n Wild Satin Sheets as a topper for that. So right now I'm taking the G18 brush from Morphe and I'm taking that pink and just applying that to my lower lash line. So I did my wing liner off camera using the Pretty Vulgar black gel and a Morphe eyeliner pencil, and then I went and set my face using the NYX matte finish spray because you guys know that it's my favorite. And that's pretty much the finished look, guys. So thanks again for watching this video. If you liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment in the description bar below telling me what looks you would like for me to do next using this palette or any other palette. And I will see you guys in my next video.